smoke that weed, I smoke, I know I smoke, I know I smoke. I blow them blunts, I blow them blunts, I roll them blunts and I smoke them blunts. I puff them blunts like I smoke them blunts, nigga. I cheap blunts, niggas. I pull trigger, niggas. I squeeze at niggas and I pop gorillas, nigga. I pop pies like Popeyes, the seller, man. Boy, I got the toucan sand, I got the gorilla, man. Pump, action, slump, have you lumped in the projects, have you slumped, nigga. I push him and patch you punk, nigga. I pump niggas, AK-47, I pull trigger, nigga. I know trigonometry, so I got niggas on my team that run with triple B's, AR-15. Got the niggas on the lane, pushing niggas back. Yeah, they got their wig caps on, twisted back. Nigga, I spit that. Niggas try to get on the shit like that. Nigga rolling 30 crip, yeah, niggas get back. I fuck niggas up, niggas try to get fucked up. Niggas wanna push the pack and get slumped. Nigga, I take your shit, nigga, rob you for your shit, nigga. Every time you try to get on the track, nigga, I murder for your shit, nigga. Every time I take your shit, you wanna be like, oh boy, I wanna just give you this. Every time I take you off the track, nigga, I rip you back, put you on the train tracks, then the roped up Range Rover. Have you hit the train with the A4K799? Yeah, I'm fucked up.